5 Best Electric Pressure Cookers. Here is the product number 5. 1.3 liters Mini Multi-Rice Cooker Mini Portable. Item specifics: brand name Bear. Function: boil, steam. Voltage: V, 220 volts. Capacity: quart, 1.3 liters. Capacity: 3 liters. Power: W, 200 W. Outer pot material: plastic. Controlling mode: digital timer control. Model number: 865. Here is the product number 4. 1.5 liters multifunction stainless steel electric cooking pot. 1.5 liters multifunction stainless steel electric cooking pot / electric heating cup instant noodles cup. Function: boil, steam. Voltage: V, 220 volts. Model number: 60. Capacity: 3 liters. Outer pot material: stainless steel. Power: W, 800 watts. Material of inner pot: stainless steel. Here is the product number 3. 1.5 liters multifunctional electric skillet. 1.5 liters multifunctional electric skillet electric heating cup instant noodles pot small pot color coded steel electric food warmer. Function: boil, soup stewing, cooking time presetting, steam, overheat protection. Voltage: V, 220 volts. Model number: 101. Capacity: 3 liters. Outer pot material: plastic. Here is the product number 2. Pressure cooker 6 liters Multivarka electric cooker. Brand name Anywin. Function: soup stewing, reservation, steam, stew, overheat protection, LED display, boil, cooking time presetting, braise, non-stick coating inner pot, timing, pressure release device. Aluminum alloy inner pot with thickness 1.8 mm, weight 580 grams, with Teflon coating inside which can endure high temperature. Here is the product number 1. CUKYI 12-inch -1 multi-use programmable pressure. Brand name CUKYI. Function: boil, soup stewing, reservation, braise, cooking time presetting, non-stick coating inner pot, timing, stew, LED display, pressure release device. Capacity: quart, 4 liters. Application: 3-4 people. Controlling mode: digital timer control. Outer pot material: stainless steel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.